Good evening. So I want to do a quick live video to basically give you a brief introduction to how you can earn $500 this month. So today is only March 3rd and my second month in business. Hey Nikki, my second month in business I was able to get to this rank of Ruby, but now you're able to do it a lot faster and it only takes you 3 people to do it. So I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 your first month in business and how simple it is. So let me get started. Alright, so okay, no problem. So basically what I want to do with you guys is show you how simple and easy it is to do this. Now when you get started, you pay $20 to join, right? So that's $20 to get in business. You set up your auto ship. And your auto ship you have of 80 points of products that you want to sample. So that can come up to somewhere around maybe like $100 worth of product. Well, $100 you spent, but you really get like way over that worth of product. But anyway, so now you're going to go for your shopping spree, which is you bringing in, hey Tashara, so you're bringing in 4 customers, which is earning you your shopping spree of $100. So that gives you free product, $100 worth of product that you can then either utilize for yourself or you can get sample packs of so that you can sell sample packs. After you get your 4 customers, which gets you your shopping spree, from there you're going to now work on doing step 3, which is getting your 3 distributors. And this month, anybody that joins as a distributor with you only pays $20 if you give them a code. Okay? Now we have plenty of codes to go around by all means. So if you don't have one, we have them available everywhere. Now, so once you do that, you get your 4 customers. This is you, right? This is you joining. So now you're going to get your 4 customers, which is setting you up to get your residual income started. It's setting you up to get product rewards, which product rewards give you about 65% off the price, where you get like a bag of wraps for $25 versus $60 or $100 retail, and a bag of coffee for $19 versus $39 or $65 retail. So you get started, you get your 4 customers. Congratulations, you got your 4 customers. You get your $100 shopping spree. You have your product rewards here, and then you have your auto ship on for 80 points, which is qualifying you to be able to get that shopping spree and things. Now you're bringing in 4 distributors, 4 people that are going to pay $20 to get started with you, just like you paid $20. So you're going to bring in, oh gosh, names. Okay, you're going to bring in Tashara. You're going to bring in Nikki. You're going to bring in Larry. I probably said your name wrong. And so these are the 3 distributors that you're bringing in. Now, when you bring in these 3 distributors, these 3 people, now you're helping with teaching them how to also do the same thing that you just did, which is get your first 4 customers. Now, every customer averages somewhere around $50 to $100 in orders, depending on what they're getting or what they're spending. So those 4 people will come into the business. Those 4 people, you will show them how to do step 2, which will get them their shopping spree, right? They'll be done completed step 2. The second step, step 2, they got that complete. Congratulations to all of them. They now have a shopping spree in place. They now have their product rewards and things. Now what happens, because you enrolled them, you get $100 per person you enrolled. So Patty's on here too. So Patty is the one that got started and brought in Tashara, Nikki, and Larry. Larry, make sure I'm saying your name right. I don't want to say I'm saying it wrong. So, Tashara, congratulations. You did step 2. You got your first 4 customers in your 30 days. You got your product rewards. Now, Patty gets $100 for you the following Friday. Congratulations, Nikki. You did the same thing. You got your 4 customers, and you completed step 2, $100 the following Friday for Patty. So now that's $200. And then Larry did the same thing. Step 2 done in her first 30 days. She got $100 also for Patty. Now, Larry decides she wants to bring in 2 distributors because she know 2 people, 2 best friends, 2 friends to get started with too. And now she brings in people to also want to earn income, right? So now she's going to bring in Danita, and she's going to bring in Danica, and she's going to teach them how simple it was for her to get her first 4 customers. And now Larry just got $100 per person that she just brought in. So your first month in business, you can earn $300 in just bonuses alone, plus the residual income that comes on top of that, because we get paid for 15% for any customer orders. We also get paid 10% on any first line activity as far as orders that they place. Plus we get an extra 5% when we personally enroll them. And we get 5% more as the levels continue to go down deeper and deeper. Now, when you're doing all this, you're also developing a lot of sales, a lot of volume within your team, which will get you over 2,000 in volume, and that'll automatically make you a Ruby. And it's that simple. It's basically just completing the steps to success, which is getting started, bringing in 3 distributors, getting your 4 customers. If you get more than 4 customers like I did, I had like 10 or so, by all means, that's more income for you. Every time you get 2 customers, you're going to get a product reward that you can redeem. So that's even more money for you, and more that you can then use for yourself, or products that you can use towards giving to other people. So it'd be that simple to get our first rank down. After that, all you're doing is teaching everybody else how to get Ruby. When they get Ruby, that makes you Emerald. When they get Emerald, that gets you the Diamond. Your income keeps growing and growing from there. So it'd be an average income of $400 a month, $500 a month, to an average of $800 to $2,000 to $5,000 as you keep going with the company. So it's very simple. All we do is just complete those steps. We make this a very easy, duplicatable system, and that's all you gotta do. So get started. I'm excited for all you guys. Whoever's ready to go Ruby, let's do it.